The messaging analytics section allows you to dig into your SMS performance and ensure you can keep contacting customers. Since it's such a vital section, we've redesigned it to give you deeper visibility into your messages with interactive charts, a clearer layout, richer data, and actionable insights. Let's check these improvements out. Every metric now shows how it changed compared to the previous period, with green or red indicators, so you can instantly spot trends. A new bar chart shows how your message failure rate changes over time, with a clear threshold line at 10%, which helps you catch delivery issues before they escalate to account restrictions. A new donut chart breaks down exactly why messages failed, so you can take targeted action instead of guessing. A new line chart tracks opt-out rates over time with a 2% threshold marker, so you can monitor subscriber health and adjust your messaging strategy before reaching risky levels. Let's learn how to access and expand the messaging analytics. Navigate to the Messaging tab in the Phone System Settings section of your account settings and switch to Messaging Analytics. The default view shows the last 30 days, but you can select up to 90 days for a broader picture of your messaging trends. Every summary card is clickable, so you can tab it to open a detailed logs modal, showing individual message records with contact name, phone number, status, date, and error codes. Messaging deliverability directly impacts customer engagement and revenue, so these improvements will help you catch delivery issues early and reduce failed messages, proactively protecting your sender reputation. We hope you enjoy it.